everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. If you haven't seen my video or my previous video, yeah, a lot of shit's happened. Had to see a sports doc for both knees. Thankfully, I can do injections. Messed up the ankle and the knee, so had to scratch from test session next week. I lost my Noah boy this past Monday, the 2nd, on his birthday. So I've been a pretty big wreck about that. So yeah, lots of shit has happened. So we are going to go into the May premium box, which I have here. Madison was nice enough to open up the sticker for me and everything. So we have Super Bloom, again, Mayflower, or what is it? May showers bring Mayflowers, Mother's Day is tomorrow, you know, all that fun, good hoopla shit, you know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 items here. All right, let's just pick something. All right, the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial, which is this guy here, is $50. It is an overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling silky, soft, radiant, and replenished. So y'all know me, I'm all about skincare, and I love my masks. Nice hooker pink jar, very awesome Elemis. Oh man, that smells amazing. What the hell is in this? Camu, whatever the fuck that is. Banana flower, cocoa nib extract. It smells like what a tropical paradise would be. That's amazeballs. So we have a little bit here on the lid. Very nice and thick. Let's put some here on the inner. Yeah, that's thick. Nice and thick. Put it on over the inner wrist tattoo. I just can't get over that smell. You know what they smell like? You know, like the little, was it the Chiclets gum? That's what it smells like. It smells like Chiclets. That good from when we were younger. So there's that. This is like super moisturizing. I don't know if you can tell this. This kind of looks like dry and crusty, I guess, but like this is like, and it absorbs pretty quickly on your skin. I'd say that's pretty amazeballs. Okay. So, yep, definitely trying this tonight. Pretty freaking awesome. All right, next up here, we have the Cover FX Gripping Primer and Firming. What the fuck are you trying to say, bruh? This is $38. Clear, alcohol-free, clear gel primer, visibly firm, creates glass-like finish, and grips makeup for all-day wear. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's almost like the Smashbox type of deals here. Sealed. And we'll put some on the back of our hand. Definitely stays where it goes. Or once you apply it, we're going to put it on. It's already absorbed. I'm not trying to, not sticky necessarily, but definitely grippy. So ready for whatever face product you're going to put on there. Okay, it is water, so definitely use this with water-based product. Okay, next up, Skin and Aroma Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil. All right, glow from within. Truffle Therapy Face Oil. It's got olive oil, jojoba, sweet almond, and sunflower. Moisturizing, hydration. Okay, so moisturizing oil. This is complex. Why is it so complicated? Okay, so this is what it looks like here. Very pretty bottle. Curious about the smell. What else does it do? Day and night, alcohol-free, GMO-free, vegan, gluten, and cruelty-free. You know what? This smells like coconut. It definitely smells like coconut. It's definitely a lighter oil. For sure, for sure. So there's that. That's what that looks like. You do definitely get that glow from within. Like, I say goddamn. Nice little glow here. Next, we got awesome brushes. I really like LaRousse Beauty. I was gifted the LaRousse Beauty, I think this is a 14-piece set, brush set, and I have the brushes here, extra ones. This is a 3-piece contour brush set. Okay, you know what? Kind of salty because I'm sitting here struggling to put on contour with, you know, the foundation brush. I'm not struggling, but you know what I mean. That could have been put on, and it says it works with any formula. So it's pretty cool. You get the flat angle, the contour blending, and the angle shading brushes. And if you've never had LaRousse brushes, they are very nice quality, very soft. Oh, it's so soft. This runs for $50. It comes with its own little carrying case if you want to separate them or, you know, whatever, add it to your collection. Like this, because it is contoured, kind of going and following the cheeks here, definitely would have helped while going or going in on my face with the cream contour. But that's okay. You have the angle here, which is nice because if you're going to do the contouring even on your eyelids, in your creases, before you do like eyeshadow, kind of create like a deep set, you can do that. You can put it in smaller areas. Again, they're very, very nice, very, very soft. Next up here, we have KVD Beauty. Of course, previously it was Kat Von D, but now it's called KVD. This is $22. It's a Epic Kiss Nourishing Vegan Butter Lipstick. This is in color Lolita 100. Both high pigment lipstick, hydrating lip care. Ooh, look at that. The aesthetic of it, it's really, really nice. It's very much like the LaRousse brushes here. Ooh, pop it up. And that's what that looks like. Since I have product here, let's do it on the... That is really pretty. Like a muted, what is this called? Eruption color. So we're gonna have to use this for one of our different looks in the future. Last item here, we have the Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. This runs $26. If you remember the L'Oreal Cosmetics, it was a two-parter on both sides. It was red and then white. It's tube mascara, and if you've never heard of that, what this does is it coats the lashes, like covers them, keeps them on and everything, versus like kind of coloring and, you know, saturating the lashes with the color and whatever formulas, you know, waxes and everything. This creates tubes around your lashes, okay? And with this, if applied well enough, you can kind of play around with kind of like the length with the fiber, well, not the fibers, but with the tubes and such. And to remove this, you don't use a makeup remover. The way that I do it, get some warm water cupped in your palm, and I go like this, and the tubes come off. They almost look like a molting spider. It's funny, or as funny as it sounds. That's what they look like, bro. It's really, really nice, and it works very well for people that have, like I have oily lids. A lot of the time, if I can't find my Bad Gal Bang mascara, or whatever the case is, mascara will kind of not flake, but smear on my eyelids. If you have sensitive eyes or your contact wear, this is your shit right here. So let's go ahead and try this. I haven't had tube mascara since my last deployment. That was 08-09. Again, didn't want to sweat or have sweaty mascara and burning my eyeball. Anybody, male or female, has ever had that done? It hurts. Okay, so let's go ahead. This is like a nice thick formula. The brush and the formula, like, I don't know if you can see that, but you grab from the base all the way to the tip. After you apply, it just kind of sets, and then voila. So once it's done, you're done. So that's everything that I received for May out of my premium box. I want to thank you for watching my unboxing, but I have news also. I was entered in the Health and Fitness Hers magazine competition to run for Miss Health and Fitness, especially going back with figure skating and everything. Things are starting to come back with my knees. The things that are starting to come back have taken me longer to relearn. So you should, if you haven't seen any of my skating videos, did you see me do these axles? It's been a while, okay? So anyhow, it's a daily vote. Currently, the last time I checked today, I believe I was in 3rd place. So below, I'm going to put my link down there so that we can vote. There is a free daily vote. And seriously, it counts. There is a 24-hour period, okay? And there's another part where they call it warrior votes. And please do not feel obligated. I'm not making anybody pay, to do these votes. But there's the story behind it, okay? And the money that you buy for voting for me, they go to a foundation that helps disabled veterans modify their homes. So if somebody is in a wheelchair or they need secured banisters or different things with their showers and stuff, and I was a candidate for that when my knees were really, really bad. They would go in and build you home for that, or they would make modifications to your home. So I feel, especially as a disabled vet myself, that this is a phenomenal foundation. So let's see, I have to remain in the top 15 until May 12th. And if I do, then I go to the next round. What that's going to entail, I couldn't tell you. So just kind of have to go with the flow with that. But the grand prize, after all these trials or these group competitions and stuff, get to be on the cover of the Muscle and Fitness Hers magazine with like a nice little spread and everything, and win $20,000. You get to, once you click on my link, you go ahead and read my bio. You get to see some pictures and see what I would like to do with that $20,000. All right, but I really do appreciate you guys. I want to thank you all for standing by me, watching me kind of mature or grow over these years creating these videos. Any suggestions, comments, whatever, put them down there. I write all of you guys back. Yeah, stay tuned for my boxy base box. Love you guys. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. See you soon.